Speed up e-signature workflows with signNow for Workplace. Let's say you need your team lead to approve a vacation request. Get the job done with signNow without leaving your Workplace account. Start using signNow in Workplace in minutes on any device. Send your vacation request for signing right from Workplace chat. Instantly send your document as a free form invite. Add as many signers as you need. Open your vacation request in signNow to sign and prepare it for signing. Make your document easy to complete. Set up a signing order, create roles, and add fillable fields. Add your legally binding signature using your preferred method. For added security, you can set up password protection and two-factor signer authentication. Meet all deadlines by scheduling reminders and expiration dates. Save time with reusable templates. Edit the signers and click Send. Your team lead and HR manager can sign your request in seconds on any device. Stay in the loop on document updates with instant Workplace notifications. Access your signed vacation request right in Workplace. Send a copy to other teammates you'd like to keep up to date. Digitize your document workflows without leaving the tools you use and love.